put on the countertop is fine. There or the countertop. A little toasty. Let it cool for about 60 seconds. Let it cool for about 40 seconds. Now it's just kind of manipulating it. Now it might be too hot for your mouth. Just kind of feel it on the back of your hand just to check make sure it's not too hot there. You put it in. You might probably want to use both hands to manipulate. And you've got your mirror here to. And based off the instructions, you want to line up the bite first, and then get the roof of your mouth, extend it back, kind of do the thumb sucking technique. It's really like sucking your thumb that helps to form a seal back there. Do you feel like getting tighter against the roof of your mouth when you do that? Okay. And then push around the sides, try to capture all the undercuts or all that anatomy, all those ridges that you have around the cheeks up top. And then it takes about a minute for it to set. So if you like stinging, that's pretty quick.
Yeah, it's there.
You've got some teeth. So that's a little easier than taking all those impressions and doing all those steps that we just did for your other denture, right? That we're sending back to the lab.
I don't need those now.
They look so good.
Just keep those. Actually, they look better than those. Okay.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna ask. I'll ask you the same question again. So I mean, but overall, with that upper, you've got pretty good retention.
Yeah. Yeah, they fit great.
So, okay.
It's kind of weird.
And then you did mention that you have a sharp spot kind of in the roof of the mouth there. We can adjust that with the acrylic burr afterward, or if you wanted to reheat that area, reheat it, we could do it again there. But again, that was the first fit, and then less than 2 minutes, you have some teeth that you could go to a party with. You got some party teeth. Good. And then that's fine if they just float around.
Party teeth.
Well, the beauty of it is that you could reheat it and do it again. So, like, let's say
that's pretty neat.
Let's say that your cousin wanted to borrow your teeth. You heat them up.
Yeah, you use these.
Remember that night too. Yeah. I just wanted to show the patience to get back to see the dentist. And, you know, your time is valuable. And the instructions basically give that. Oh, we want to restart our timer for the minute cooling. But the instructions basically give you that exactly what to do at home. So when I size these for patients in the office, I do send the instructions home with them in case they need to refit. Also, some of our patients that can't get here, we have some patients that have loved ones that are in assisted care facilities. It's just too much for them to come in for multiple visits to a dental office. So, you know, it's like, here you go, here's a set, and try to fit it in the room there. And if you can't get it done, we'll bring them in. So, okay, and right about now, you can start playing with it and shaping and adjusting. So since you have the upper fitted already, really the best is just to line up the bite first and get it in there, kind of line up the bite, close down on it a little bit, and then extend the bottom. You could reach around and just squeeze around your ridge. You're not feeling anything sharp on this one, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Is it warm?
Mm-hmm.
Is it too much heat?
Just a little bit.
Okay. And if it is, you can take it out.
Oh no, it's going to cool.
Okay. No, that's fine. You can take it out briefly and put it back in, and that's not an issue. And then you can put it back in hot water to do it again. And then you just want to line up the bite so it goes in and out. You can push it in on the sides. You can bring it out on the sides to get the bite to line up. Perfect for it. and you want to adapt the ridge. So it feels like it just wants to adapt, right? I mean, you could move it around where you want it to.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, okay. Is the bite lining up? Does it feel like it's even on both sides? Because if it's not, you can just put it back in hot water and do it again. I bet it's open on this side over here, but if it feels stable to you, then that you could keep it there. We could reheat it and do it again. It's really up to you.
What do you mean?
So you see in the very back corner here, that back molar isn't touching when you close down. See the back molar right there? Does it feel okay? It feels comfortable too?
It does feel all right, though.
Okay. Let's take a look here. Was it open really big? There you go. I think that was a total of about 7 minutes. You got yourself a set of dentures. It's pretty awesome.
It is. It may fit, unlike those.
So they fit better than the old set that you came in with. Yeah. So how about
Those are awful. If I don't glue those in every day, in fact, the bottoms I have to glue in twice a day.
And right now you have zero glue here.
No, nothing.
And the retention that you feel?
No, they're good right now. Those.
All right, excellent. If you want to pull out the lowers too, I could kind of show how I captured the extensions. Okay, so easy denture, his denture. Easy denture, his denture. You can see how much more of a vest of everything that we were able to capture. You could capture the undercuts with this because of the resilience of the material, so therefore you get some good retention. If I didn't want to have any of this material here, I could trim it back with acrylic burrs, I could trim it back with scissors, I could reheat it and pull it off. You did mention that on the inside here you could feel a little click here, and that's from our internal skeleton there. So what we'll do is I'll take a little acrylic burr and smooth that off. We could also reheat this and push that area back in where it's covered by our NuvaFlex stretch material. But I'll go ahead and use standard acrylic burrs. Go in there, move that spot down. Should be good as new. You weren't feeling it on the inside, right? It was on the tongue part.
Oh, that's right. Well, it's gone.
It's gone. Okay. Okay. All right.
No, that's perfect.
Good, good. So there we go. So now we're just able to give our patients options. And you saw that in about the same amount of time it would take us to take a set of impressions for a new set of dentures. Just the impression part alone, we're able to customize and fit a denture form.